In a foggy coastal town, a quiet engineer rebuilt old buses into living stage machines that could hum melodies while they drive. Each modification unlocked a strange talent: a tire that sings when skidding, brakes that teleport the car a meter to avoid danger, or a hood vent that sketches cosmic maps in smoke. Locals gathered at dusk to see the next marvel, while the engineer whispered that true power lies in listening to the road and honoring its stories. One night, a derelict truck learned to balance on wind, gliding between rooftops. Dawn revealed possibilities the town had imagined,